Good morning, or maybe good afternoon, depending on when you're watching. But one thing's for sure. If you're over 50 and you've ever forgotten someone's name, where you put your keys, or what you walked into a room to do, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'm going to share with you a simple 5-minute morning ritual that can help boost your memory, focus, and mental clarity. Starting tomorrow morning, your brain is like a sponge, and in the morning, it's dry and ready to absorb. That's why the first few minutes after you wake up are crucial. The choices you make during those moments set the tone for your entire cognitive day. Unfortunately, most people over 50 wake up and immediately grab their phone, check the news, or rush into stress. And that's like pouring muddy water into a clean sponge. It gets cloudy fast, but with the right ritual, you can prime your brain for sharp thinking, strong memory, and better mood in just 5 minutes. So, here's the 5-minute ritual I personally use and recommend to my older clients. It has 3 simple steps: breathe, recall, focus. Step 1. 1 minute of deep breathing. Sit at the edge of your bed, feet on the floor. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Do this for just 1 minute. Why? This sends oxygen to your brain and activates your prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making and memory recall. It also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that clouds thinking. Step 2. 2 minutes of memory recall now. Gently close your eyes and ask yourself, what did I do yesterday morning? What did I have for dinner? Who did I speak with last? Try to recall details, not just headlines. The more you practice daily recall, the more you strengthen your brain's memory muscles. This is called neuroplasticity in action. The more you use it, the more it grows. Step 3. 2 minutes of morning mental focus. This is where intention meets clarity. Ask yourself, what one thing do I want to remember or accomplish today? It can be as simple as remembering a friend's birthday, focusing on your posture, or learning one new word in a foreign language. Saying it out loud wires the brain toward active recall and gives your memory a target for the day. So why is this 5-minute ritual so effective? Because it combines the 3 key drivers of cognitive longevity: oxygenation via breathing, neural activation via recall, focused intention via goal setting. Studies from Johns Hopkins in the Mayo Clinic show that even brief daily cognitive training can significantly delay memory loss, especially in adults over 60. In fact, in one study, seniors who practiced simple morning brain routines performed 25% better on memory tests after just 6 weeks. I often get asked, can this replace supplements or memory pills? No, but it can make everything else you do work better. This is about activating your brain naturally before any caffeine or vitamins. Is it too late to start after 60 or 70? Not at all. The brain is always capable of change, even at 90. This ritual is safe, simple, and effective at any age. So, tomorrow morning, instead of grabbing your phone, rushing into the day, or skipping breakfast, try this instead. Take 5 minutes for your mind. Breathe, recall, and focus. If you commit to this every day for 2 weeks, come back to this video and let me know what changed. You'll be amazed at how much sharper, calmer, and more confident you feel. Comment below if you're going to try it tomorrow. Tell me what you plan to focus on first. Like this video if it helped. Share it with a parent or friend who wants to stay mentally sharp. And subscribe for weekly tips on senior brain health, memory, and more. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and this is Senior Eternal Talks, where your brain gets better with age.